Question: what is family law in Nigeria, the UK, and other Commonwealth countries? Question 1: what is family law? Before we can describe family law, let's first of all get the meaning of the term family. A family comprises a man, his wife or wives, and the children. Family law is the area of law that regulates family relationships and family property. It covers how legal rights and duties arise within the family, including marriage, divorce, and related matters. Where does Nigerian family law come from? Nigerian family law has its roots in the English legal system. This influence came about during the colonial period, when Nigeria adopted English law as part of its legal framework. As a result, many principles of Nigerian family law closely reflect the English legal traditions. What laws mainly govern family law in Nigeria? The two principal statutes governing family law in Nigeria are the Marriage Act and the Matrimonial Causes Act. Both are contained in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria in 1999 as amended. These laws regulate marriage, matrimonial disputes, and related family issues. The Marriage Act M6, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, is concerned primarily with the creation and legal recognition of statutory marriage in Nigeria. Its scope covers the entire process by which a valid monogamous marriage comes into existence. It regulates who may marry, the conditions parties must satisfy before marriage, and the formal steps required for a lawful celebration, such as the giving of notice, consent, and the place and manner of celebration. The Act also addresses issues of validity, including prohibited decrees of relationship and the consequences of contracting another marriage while a statutory marriage subsists. In addition, it provides for the registration of marriages, the issuance of marriage certificates, and prescribes offenses and penalties for breaches such as bigamy or unlawful celebration of marriage. In essence, the Marriage Act governs entry into statutory marriage, ensuring that such marriages are properly formed, recognized, and documented under Nigerian law. The Matrimonial Causes Act, Cap M6, Laws of the Federation of Nigeria 2004, deals with the breakdown of statutory marriages and the legal consequences that flow from that breakdown. Its scope begins where the Marriage Act ends. The Act provides the legal framework for dissolving a marriage through divorce, granting decrees of nullity, such as decree nisi and decree absolute, or ordering judicial separation. It sets out the grounds upon which a marriage may be dissolved, focusing on the irretrievable breakdown of the marriage and the fact that may establish it. Beyond dissolution, the Act empowers the courts to make ancillary orders relating to maintenance, settlement, and division of matrimonial property. and the custody, welfare, and maintenance of children. It also covers prescribed procedural and jurisdictional matters, including the courts competent to hear matrimonial causes. That is the High Court of a state and the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory, and the recognition of foreign matrimonial judgments. Overall, the Matrimonial Causes Act regulates exit from statutory marriages and the adjustment of rights and obligations of spouses and children after marital breakdown, with particular emphasis on fairness and the welfare of the family. Question 4. Is Nigerian family law unique to Nigeria? The answer is not entirely. Nigerian family law also reflects legal principles common to many Commonwealth countries, especially those that were formerly under British colonial rule. This shared history explains the similarities across these jurisdictions. What is the overall focus of family law in Nigeria? The main focus of Nigerian family law is to regulate relationships within the family and to reflect the values that guide how family life is organized and protected in society. It plays a key role in ensuring fairness, order, and stability in the system. That is the overall focus of family law in Nigeria, the UK, and the Commonwealth and other Commonwealth countries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to comment and let's share your experiences in the next. Till we meet again, this is a Desiree Enowo of a